Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to create your first world in Minecraft. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and launch your Minecraft application. And once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and select single player. I have made multiple different worlds, as you can see, but all you need to do is click on create new world down over here, and you're going to get a couple of options. You can simply go ahead and click on create new world. You can name your world here. So for example, for a vid, and you can choose your game mode to survival, creative. You can go to the more options. You can turn on generated structures, which are villages, dungeons, and other. You can also choose world types if you want to. You can allow cheats, and you can also allow bonus chests if you want to. Click on done and click on create new world. And as you can see, you're gonna simply go ahead and start your world off with a bonus chest right over here. And that is about it. You can simply go ahead and start playing your game. If you don't know how to play Minecraft or how to advance as a beginner, I've already made a video on that, so go ahead and check that out. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.